welcome to another bikini U-haul. Today I'm wearing my spring collection. So if you haven't seen my last video, I have my own bikini line called Rainbow Phoenix. This one though is particularly special because it's the one that I designed. So all of these bikinis are very burlesque inspired, and very much so like from the entertainment world. So they're all luxury, they're all beautiful, and I'm going to show them to you, and let's get started. Okay, so this is the first bikini. It's called the Ashley W, and it's made out of velvet. The bikini is from Bali, that's where it's created, and then I added on the attachments. So you have the gem here, the gem on the side, you have this attachment as well. The fun thing about it is that it actually unclips and you can take it off. So if you want just the clean design, you can do that. If you want to put the attachment on, you can do that as well. It also comes, you can also get other attachments to put on with it instead. So it's super cute, it's super fun, super luxury. It's meant for actually like going out and chilling at the pool at like the W or really nice hotels. So check it out. This one is the So this is the second piece. This one is called the Candice. It's also made out of velvet, just like the first one, and super comfy, super nice tight fit. Also inspired by the burlesque world. So you have the gems on the front here, and then you also have the gems on the back. So it gives that nice little like burlesque feel to it. They're also detachable, so when you wash it or if you want to go in the pool, you're able to slip these off, and then you can, it's just more water friendly that way. But they are primarily meant for sunbathing out in the sun versus like being in the pool. Either way, it's super cute and fancy, and it's more for like you know, those luxury spots like the W and the Ritz-Carlton. So check it out. So this is my fall collection that has not been released. Maybe by this time it will be. I'll leave a little comment to say if it's released or not. Well, it should be released by the time I post this. This is the fall collection that's getting released. This one is called the Angie. It's inspired by my best friend. So it's a fun one. You can cross it or not cross it, but I personally like it crossed better. But you can also uncross it and have it on the side. You can also do this fun little under boob thing and keep it like up this way more if you're into that style, or you know, you can keep it more modest and keep it under. It's like, it's very adjustable, very fun. You can have different looks with it, which is great. The bottom has the same burlesque style with the gems. It also has the add-on where you can either clip it on or off, and you can like get your own detachables on the store too. So there's always new ones coming out, so you can always buy like new detachable items for the bikini. So this is what it's like without it. Also super cute and fun. Both are just like good fun styles, so that way you can change it up as you feel. So the Angie. So this one is called the Susie. It's also part of the fall collection. It has the Rainbow Phoenix symbol on it, and then it also has these add-ons that can be used to this. There's the front, the back. If you wanted to get really creative. and it's also made out of satin, so it's super, super soft and comfy. So go check it out. It's another one that's inspired by more of the rock and roll scene, but also still classy, keeps a level of luxury to it. So I don't have a name for this one yet. I'm still trying to find a babe that inspires me enough to name it after, but it's another one that's made out of vegan leather, so it's super comfy, animal friendly, eco friendly, and just a little different. And that is the whole fall collection for Rainbow Phoenix. There's 3 there: the vegan leather, the satin, and the corduroy. So they all have the fall color feel to it. I hope you enjoy it. There's the Angie, the Susie, and the last one, who I still have to find a girl that inspires me to name this one after, that's both classy but edgy. So check them out, see how you like them. You can even use the discount code below for like a little discount, because they are a little pricey because they're luxury bikinis. So check them out. Thanks for watching this YouTube vlog, and see you for the next one, which will probably be my lingerie vlog. So